Today, let's make a very special dish. Golden Wings Embrace Silken Noodles. Let's go home and make it. You won't regret it. Soak it first. Warm water at 40 degrees. And soak for 15 minutes. I have prepared 7 chicken wings. And cut them in half. Add some flour. Flour can absorb the blood in the chicken wings. Knead them well. Add water. Rub and wash them clean. This can remove the blood from the chicken wings well. Reduce the fishy smell. Rinse again. Try to drain the water. Add some scallion batons. To season the chicken wings, add a spoonful of salt. Black pepper, and cooking wine. Deodorize and enhance flavor. Rub them in one direction. To make the chicken wings fully flavored, marinate for 10 minutes. Let's make a sauce. Prepare more garlic, like I do, which is easy to peel. Cut into small pieces first. Then, finely mince the garlic. This step requires great patience. The minced garlic must be cut very finely. And more scallions. And cut into scallions. However, chopping onions can be a real struggle. Your eyes water and your nose runs. I'd recommend wearing a mask while you do it. Start to make sauce. A small spoon of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. A spoonful of sesame oil. Stir well. Prepared ingredients: chicken mid-joint wing, Longkou vermicelli, sauce, chicken wings with skin down, and put them neatly in a pan. Leave some space between them to avoid sticking. Pour in cooking oil. Cover the pan. Turn on the stove. Fry them over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Reduce the heat to low and then take off the lid. This helps prevent hot oil from splattering. Flip the chicken wings over. Cover the lid. Change to medium heat. Continue to fry for 1.5 minutes. Turn to low heat and open lid. Add the sauce. And sprinkle some white sesame seeds for fragrance. Keep the heat low to avoid burning and bitterness. Stir well. Turn off the heat. Okay, the chicken wings are ready to serve. Leave the base in the pan. Longkou vermicelli is about to appear. Add some cooking oil. Add some light soy sauce for color. Add the vermicelli. Stir it. Add some purified water. Cover the pan. Simmer for a while. Open the lid in 1.5 minutes. Okay, smells amazing. Turn off the heat and serve. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.